First, I'll be applying Physicians Formula Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum on my face to moisturize my face and be ready for the makeup. Next, I'll be applying the Physicians Formula Illuminating Primer to prime my face before putting my concealer. I'll be mixing my illuminating primer and my concealer as my foundation. I will also continue to conceal most of my acne scars so that it will be a blank canvas for my makeup. Next, I'll be setting my whole face with my Focallure face setting powder. So I'll be using my eyebrow powder as my eyeshadow base for my eyes. Ayun. So since I wanna make it more minimal, I will go for a more soft glam in the eyes so that it will only focus on my under eyes. So I'll just be putting brown eyeshadows, different types of brown eyeshadows, and blend them all together para ma-create yung perfect shade ng brown na gusto ko. By the way, all of the items that I will be using in today's video will be on the description box or in the upper part of my video so you can see what type of makeup I'm using. So I will also put some leftover eyeshadow under my eyes because we shall not forget that. So I did my eyebrows off cam and now I'll be putting tight lines on my eyes. So now for the blush, as always, I'll be using my bright pink shade from Vice Cosmetics. I forgot what is the name of the shade, but yeah, that's what I'm using para mas maganda yung blush sa mukha ko. So I also put my eyelashes off cam because it takes me 30 minutes just to put those two eyelashes. So yeah, right now I'll be putting some winged, like winged, soft wing for the eyes para mas maganda siyang tingnan. So after that ay nilagay ko na ang aking DIY teardrops na color red using yung eyelash glue. And gawa pala sila sa minelt na glue stick. Tapos shinape ko lang siya into teardrops. So, ang next step na to is very crucial kasi nakakabulag siya. Charot lang. Pero, I'll be applying some glitters under my eyes. And, gagamitin ko din yung eyelash glue para ipandikit sila. So, yung glitter na to, nabili ko lang siya sa New Star. So, don't come at me. And wala na akong ibang red na glitter na makeup or for face. Kaya ito yung ginamit ko. So, makikita nyo dyan na hindi ko masyadong inilapat sa under ng eyes ko talaga or malapit sa eyelashes ko sa baba. So, ayan. Nilalagyan ko ngayon siya ng black eyeshadow, yung empty space sa ilalim ng mata ko para magmukha siyang smoky.